In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Louisiana. Review the Louisiana requirements. Visit the Louisiana Secretary of State website to understand the full process for updating your LLC address. Obtain the correct form. Download and access the Notice of Change of Address or Article of Amendment form, depending on your type of address change. Complete the form. Provide your LLC's name, current address, no address, and any other details. Ensure it's all accurate to avoid any delays. Prepare the filing fee. Check the Louisiana Secretary of State website for the current filing fee and arrange payment. Submit the form. File the completed form and the fee online through the Louisiana Business Portal or even by mail or in person. Update other records. After approval, update your new address with the bank, IRS, any licensing or permits you have, or any other business that you keep in contact with. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Louisiana. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.